Hi, welcome to the MuTaLig Virtual Chemotheca tutorial. The user's login takes place after the user has entered the username and password credentials. If they don't remember them, the forgot function is available. After the login, the Your Profile menu allows the update of the personal information and the management of frequently used search queries if they have been previously saved. For registered users only, an advanced database search interface with highly customizable filter criteria, storable and loadable for future searches is provided. The advanced query form can take into account different properties, such as chemical substructures, Lipinski's rules, C&S availability, owner-furnished compound features such as chirality, purity, origin like natural, organic synthesis or theoretical. Furthermore, it is possible to apply the pan-assay interference compounds filters after the user evaluation. There are also the Chemotheca computed properties, functional groups, chemical bonds and atom types. For example, the searching of a specific compound can be done by setting as molecular descriptors, a molecular weight greater than 10, carboxylic groups equal to 1 for functional groups, double chemical bonds greater than 1, chlorine greater than 1 as atom type. At this point, the user is able to name and save selected filters. A new message will appear on the panel. Now, in your profile menu, by clicking on Saved Filters, the user will see the list of saved query filters with the filter name, date and time of creation, and the IP address. Selecting the filters, it is possible to remove it. In future searches, saved filters can be used. In our sample case, we load the test filters and all information previously selected will be highlighted. In order to search the compound, it is possible to choose the output verbosity or to use default info, or for this example, default info plus my choices. Results are displayed as a multi-page table reporting the 2D chemical structure of the matching compounds, their owner or owners, and properties according to the detail level previously selected. Clicking on listed compounds, their structures and all related properties are magnified in a pop-up window. Finally, you have the possibility to export the selected or all matching entries as different file format. If you have any questions about the MuTaLig Virtual Chemotheca, don't hesitate to email us.